Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this grow out effect on CapCut PC. So video like a clip where it's just the background, then video then record. Why am I saying then video? Then record another item here and make sure you can wobble it, I guess. This is not sponsored by the way. That was in my closet, I don't know. And I'm just going to wobble it like that. Then after that, you're going to place it on top of each other like this. I'm just going to make an example here. Put it on top of that video on that background. Then you're just going to select remove background and select custom removal. Select the brush and just select the item here and then press apply, which I've already done that. Then I'm just going to go to where the wobble stops, so here, and I'm going to add a keyframe. Then in the beginning, I'm going to scale it down, and I might place it down a little bit and then scale it down. And then here, I'm going to show the speed animation, select graphs, and select cubic out. Actually, I don't know, I might go with linear. You can just play around with whichever one you want. I don't like how cubic out grows it like that. It's really weird. So I think I'm just going to stick with linear, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.